So of course, up here, we're looking at the S&P 500. Down here below, this is a chart of the VIX just overlaid for the same period. And you can see the VIX currently, this is about as low as the VIX really ever gets. It's down to just about 15 on the VIX. And, I think this is one indication that we could be seeing a bit of complacency in the short term in the markets here. Typically, if you look back, if you were to zoom this chart out and look back, a year, 2 years, generally when it starts getting down to this level of 15, that's while of course it's nice to have the VIX low and market sentiment really high. Every once in a while, the VIX gets a little too low. Investors get a little too complacent, and we do get a bit of a pullback. Just like you can see, we got down to roughly that 15 level here. That's when we had the bit of a pullback to start the month, just earlier this month in August. You can see just every time we get a little bit of a lift, when this VIX gets a little bit too low, get a little too complacent in markets, we're kind of setting up for a bit of a pullback, and I think we could be in that setup right now. Not that, I don't think we're at risk of a trend change,